Hey, everybody out in beautiful YouTube land. You've got Joel and Powder here. Yeah, right here. Yeah. And we're coming at you for the first time in a couple of weeks. We've recovered very much from Hurricane Helene. Happy to say we're doing very well so far. And yeah, we've got some exciting news we can share with you. Yeah, stand by real quick. Hey, folks, we have our first official merchandise. I'm proud to present to you Pinnacle Mountain Gunsmithing's official patch with our logo. You can put these things anywhere. You can put them on your pack. You can put them on your hat. And if you're lucky, you can even put them on your cat. Yes, they have a nice little durable Velcro backing with a nice soft sheet that you can put just about anywhere you can put anything that's Velcro. All right, with this shameless self-promotion out of the way, let's take a look at some of the work we've been doing here lately. Okay, first off, I wanted to show to you this beautiful, beautiful Fox Model B shotgun that we helped put back together. We've made a stock repair, we've refinished the barrel, we finished the buttstock, and yeah, it's looking really quite good. When we got this rifle, I had to put in this patch to cover up a big spot of the buttstock that was missing. And yeah, had another piece down there, and another piece up top. Yeah, it was quite extensive, actually several pieces up top. If you'll forgive the shaking, that's Powder kind of moving my arm. Yeah. What do you think about that, little quality inspector? Yeah. It's quite nice work, don't you think? Yes. Yes, I agree. Yes, this particular shotgun is from about 1951 or so. Here's what the other side originally looked like. But yeah, it's a nice classic double barrel. They were made by the Savage Corporation from 1948 till I think 1977. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, 2 triggers, 2 barrels. You're either right out front or you're left behind, as the late great Paul Harrell liked to say. This beautiful buttstock is also checkered, and I think we did a pretty good job on it. They should be out in the field for another couple of generations, and they should be able to enjoy it just like we have. Oh, before I forget to mention it, another thing we did, once we did the stock repair, there was a bit of a gap at the back. We went ahead and bedded the action. If you could see, you can barely see just a little bit of a black line back behind the safety here. That is where we bedded the action. We used some Acroglass gel. That is a very special epoxy that will hold up to recoil for many, many years. And we made sure that we had nice intimate contact between the stock and the receiver. Now, speaking of the receiver, there's some very nice engraving right there. Oh yes, nice hunting scene. And I just can't get over the beautiful color case hardening on the side of this receiver. Yeah, some people re-blue those, and I don't see why, honestly. This is beautiful, especially when you get the light playing over it. We'll move the camera around so that you can see it. Yeah, there we go. Another question you might ask is, why did this shotgun break? Well, the answer lies in storage. Now, if you store these shotguns with the muzzles up, as so many people do, and so many gun racks tend to encourage, then they unfortunately, a lot of the excess oil from the barrels, when they're cleaned, flows down and goes into the firing pin holes, which then leaks into the head of the stock, and that over many, many decades can make the stock weak. And the stock itself is just 2 narrow pieces of wood that come up to there, and it can be very bad for it and require a repair like this. In particular, this one, it just kind of happened on just one side, but We inspected the other side, and it looks quite solid. Yeah, and that's why shotguns like this, particularly break actions, either double barrel or single barrel, should be stored muzzle down. Yeah, muzzle down, that way. In any case, let's move on to the next piece we've had in the shop. Alright folks, if you've been subscribed here for any length of time, you may remember our friend the PSA 5.7 Rock. Well, this is her now. Yes, yes. I did a Dura-Coat job on this for my wife. And yeah, doing green and gold. She calls it emerald. I just call it beautiful. But yeah, did a nice job on the front sight and all the controls, the trigger, the takedown button or lever, whatever you want to call it, and the magazine catch. Yeah, all those in gold. These are all Dura-Coated. Specifically, the colors for this are mesquite for the main body of the pistol and the base pad, and a color called Golden Maiden for all the controls. This is my first Dura-Coat job on an entire gun, and I think it turned out really well. I think I'll use this as a showpiece for our shop, and you can come by and see it in person when you go to the gun show. That'll be happening later this week in Greenville. Sorry, not later this week, but later this month in October of 2024. And we'll be there at the Greenville Convention Center. We can answer any questions, and we'll be handing out merchandise. Well, specifically, we'll be handing out business cards and possibly selling some promotional items. At least for this month, if you are a gunsmithing customer of ours, you can get a patch for yourself for free, or you can buy them just a patch for $8 if you'd like to support the channel more directly. In any case, that's about all we have for you today. If you have any questions, please like, comment, and share the video. And you can leave your questions or comments down in the down below. And until next time, we'll see you later. We'll see you next time.